there's nothing I can't do. I'm walking up hills, I'm walking, running, everything. Everything I haven't been able to do for a long, long while, I can now do it. I have full straightening, bending, up and down stairs, no problem with anything. And Mr Khakha is always there, and I can't thank him enough. He's just certainly the best surgeon for the job. And what else can I say? If ever you're going to have a knee replacement, have it done by Mr Khakha. You won't regret it. His aftercare is second to none. He is just brilliant. And